Hi, GC News. Diba, Ovidia Akwaba, Hadia latest and hot news in Kwa NMD. Bremo, Enuti, Bomondi say over subscribe to the channel. The way say over click the subscribe button. Now, belly notification. When sa DVD be uploaded on the first person out Sabeka a video. I feel we are now like video to us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for us now. When you be here now, also own in summer air coso ewo Ghana no man. Afriyie burai and summer abeto yaponso. Kennedy Agyapong wadi and summer tuya. Na wobekya ono aba betu no ntu beka se oman mu sisi mo edi. Nanso nkoso ana yetuma NPP nyina Bawumia campaign. What is it Bawumia campaign platform so and not just one amount for kasa or just say one tuma Bawumia. Na no na Ghana fo bebre na de nsema tuya fa. Na we da yekiti ka bi tela. And yet, Papa, why and dosu what to be the money no. Just a Kennedy and Okasi, Okoya, the Boba, Mechi, but to be money Bawumia, go. When the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you to consumer breeze, Abena Opeso, flag bearer. And there we read Bawumia and catch the Ghana for say 1 and 2 about and my Bawumia. The Nona Cavitella I passa, and a cavity and some good one and after. The moving a KT Cavitella in and summer, but the two guys fire Kennedy Agyapong in summer walking.
Now, let me go back to this liar. Kennedy Agyapong is one of the most filthiest. You know the reason, Mamika we've been chairman. And then Kennedy Agyapong, age now catch a Ghana for say, oh, no ding. MPP for my no more ding, amount for bread. Akwawe, oh, say right after
you are watching Juicy
their
News
primaries
on YouTube.
I had a meeting with my team.
You are watching Juicy
and I'm
News on
say,
YouTube.
As much as this guy is foolish, as much as he's stupid, I want to see say an iota of integrity. I want to see say yes somebody who deliberately mislead Ghanaians, because we try to send them to same pre-kwa begwa bruchiri ku school. Omunye duani dia no pay wie nwumbre. Omo American education system nim. Omo etumiko be ompeso omoko. At the age of 15, 16, they know school ompeso omoko. They are living good in America. Until after omo primary school, I'm catching my team say we should pull the plugs on Kennedy Agyapong. I want to see, say, from the things that Okaya during the campaign against Bawumia, I want to see, say, Akwawe mentally, na adwene adwuma na say, Sebiu, yena yehuni say wabodam. So for some time, you realize, I pulled the plugs on him. At a point, I did a show, I'm like, Kennedy, my friend, because I was expecting him to be a reasonable human being. Because the things he said about Bawumia, time and omuya campaign, I was not expecting say Kennedy Agyapong as a human being who is intelligent and not mad. Obia onimu nyansa sebi otumitete enkwara oya nyansafo no. I don't think he will eat his words again. Now me are very confident because I saw say this is a man at least onya kwara, at least wawomba, at least youth bi wo Ghana omodwin so onimu nyansa. In summer or catch Ghana for during the campaign, said Bawumia cannot lead Ghana. Bawumia is a thief. Bawumia is corrupt. And that Tautuma Bawumia, what to Kuffour, this guy sat on radio and on TV and told Ghanaians, said, Bawumia is a bad news for Ghana. And that MPP are buying we know, this disease, a pig of a politician, sat on TV and misled the young people of Ghana. Now, Adia na odi Bawumia campaign ichi. These are filthy, man. This guy, in any system that works, nipa ebu omoho, ebu nipa, ewu nyansa kase we die ye. This guy will not fit in that society. It's me man time. My team, they actually said, boss, let us see how intelligent, reasonable this guy is. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Let's see how his utterances are going to be, how he's going to conduct himself, and if he is going to join or mount a stage to tell Ghana for say, Yen Toma Dien Bawumia. You see, now, ye din and ye sha kwawe, or static or Ashanti region say, Yanko Toma Ninuya, Naninuya, Mbeye Bantama parliamentary candidate. Osako Jiroka say, MPP for ya Kronfo. MPP for say Ghana, Bawumia to min di Ghana nim. Na omotuma asenso Boakye obe expose NPP. Kwasia win a cancer asem. You see the reason why I don't respect Kennedy or a filthy liar.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
He does not care about anybody. And ya tutia ninuano e bantima ebe sinde we ntumi expose obia wa ankashi and Bawumia mutamu sika koma no say hey e ka oboy nyina in the primaries no young people and omo dey show mu anom ginsa wo de onim nyansa onya kromfo and I kind of kure no gisa sika we de bedi Bawumia chi and do 2 o'clock na kwasea we efu plane ko Kumasi ekoye campaign ma Bawumia. Say Bawumia na mese waye kromfo ontumi mbu Ghana wa say Ghana sikasem $1 na otamede abedru ha no Bawumia na Akufo-Addo mu nyina ebo kro no na aban NPP Leadership no ende de yentoma Bawumia kwasea we. You see why sometimes when I speak obise Kevin Taylor mbu Kennedy is a piece of shit. Onim nyansa ohu Ghana for mu dinechi so omu ejimi, and it is true. Majority of the people omu support Kennedy no omu ye jimi for because they can't think, they can't reason. And or say there is hardship in this country. Now nim de wasaka. Or can't say asem no. Then he said this. I am begging you. I know it is tough, but Ghana is better off when we still have NPP in power. We are kwasia. Or say Ghana ye ding. Odinka you guys say Bawumia e kromfo. Bawumia nim Ghana ontumi mbu Ghana. Say otuma Bawumia o to Akufo-Addo. Say Bawumia contest John Mahama. There's no way Bawumia beat Mahama. Na Bawumia say Ghana omu fum sika. Ade chi o say Ghana ye ding. Owia o say o munsantuma NPP biem. We onyo dwan. We onya kwasia. We yede na no asem ebuman. Na Owusu ye Kristo di. Ede na your principles. We ni bonsam difference be ne wom. We a young man. He has gone to take money. He is using you people. Mododo no Jimmy. Majority of you young ones following this guy, you are foolish. Enti utie ne kasemu a. Monhwe ne kwasia ene nsem bia oka. He can never be trusted. Makasa same way over and over. Kennedy is a disease of a politician.
That is why I'm before you this evening. Stability is important. I must first admit that there are hardships in this country. Today, you know and you admit that there are hardships. Do you know what will happen tomorrow? Do you know what will happen tomorrow? Tomorrow might be worse if you change NPP. Because this same in 2008, and we all saw the alternative. So I'm begging you.
Watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all the time. Watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all the time.
When we still have NPP in power. And therefore, I'm not selfish because I don't care about NPP, I don't care about Dr. Bawumia. Then I'm not a beloved citizen if I don't care about Dr. Bawumia and NPP. That is why I'm here to speak to you and plead with you that you vote for our parliamentary candidate.
These are the filthy, dirty people of Masai Ghana. He's only thinking about the money he will make. And Kuffour with the NPP, Chimumudu do no nwene. And international Kuffour use mo. Own him as with the 80. He is a dirty man. This man can tell you wait. Obetma ko shedem, obeba no obi atwa wuti, obeka se onim. Kennedy is dangerous. Echire obi o tribal fool kwasi ampanyi bia se bi o tribal dokoro because Kennedy o kan okre de na ma papa we kan okre e de na ma sa odwan we e kan okre akwo ya broni adrilling ni trim jimi we de na ma kan okre na odwen se ne ma America ha obote no politicians omo di omo so say na omo Livia anka ne ma no benya krom hatna mo jimi. This guy is just using you people like pigs or you sumu semo ya moa. He is scared that he is going to lose a lot of contracts. Say NPP free power. That's all he thinks about. But on him say, do na mudine chino, majority of the youth, do na Jimmy. We read demo. Kwasia we na betena santime mu ka say, uhun krani afabo ma bono, uhun eye ahunani akunu to twene. Kwasia we. Obedi MP 30 years when to see one hospital when you chrome. These are the fools. Ghana youth ediomuchi. We Jimmy. And you expect me to use nice words? This guy is a fool. He is basically an opportunist. Time contested Bawumia. See how people were insulted, how people attacked people, how people were denigrated on TV, on social media, because they thought to say you're a man of principle or a man who follows some principle. How mothers, fathers, nippon peniphobic say, okay, upon unkwasiadia we nyina yanhwe say wo de onim nyansa na wo ka nokre. Look at where you are. And you want me to sit here and say you are an honorable, you are a dirty, filthy man. You don't care about the youth, what they are going through. Me see, on some pay $250 million euro. They are the $50 million loan. They are insisting Alban Bagbin MBBA Parliament. I want Alban Bagbin to come back. Now, on say Afriyie marking kwasi ampenyi no. Ene eye MPP for na omu nyine kasa no. Me see won Kennedy Agyapong. And the NPP majority are saying say Alban Bagbin MBBA Parliament. Almost $250 million loan bia omu person omu Gyamfi World Bank wo. Obon say Kennedy Agyapong kwa kotena waka say yeah kwasia. Or sorry I will say me na betuma president. Utisa adwe. The majority of the people who follow Kennedy are daft. Kennedy use almost enkoko or two Bruno Mudichiri because Jimmy Kennedy for 30 years were using account for Nkwara Asabe this point. Neba benete Ghana and yakwa champagne about you so or join the dinichi. Omo Kenyon come America. I didn't metina America. On metina Ghana. I didn't want to send a man so metina Ghana because who someone would dinichi Jimmy Moho kankai mo fi na mutin wurem. And I'm Kennedy kind of credit. This man has no principles. A very dirty old man. Filthy. This is Mahamudu Bawumia speaking about something. Mahamudu Bawumia akasa, and what did he say? Or say, government to introduce electric vehicles before 2024 elections. Bawumia ababontene akabosome miensa na yakoto aba. Ose nanado danko Akufo-Addo aban no e de electric car se ba. Enti omo de beba ansa na yato aba. Enti anu nti munhwa wona monto aba ma no. Makachre Ghana for. Bawumia has no message. Bawumia has no intentions of serving. Bawumia is just doing the bidding of Akufo-Addo. Mahamudu Bawumia the beba ni timu bia no aka because NPP for catch say Ghana for Jimmy. NPP for catch say Akufo-Addo drug addict we krampo no otwa omontra mamotomano. All that you have to do is to be consistent in your lives. So we study Bawumia kasemua. He is campaigning like an opposition leader. The things are opposition leader also oka. Niaka say, hey, the opposition leader no onka. The opposition leader is giving hope and letting people know the reality. Mahamudu Bawumia is still lying and making it look like on in the opposition now, yaman a chance, but he has been in power for 8 years. He has been the head of the economic management team for almost 8 years. He has headed the Ghana Police Council as the boss for almost 8 years. Mahamudu Bawumia has been the vice president. He has sat through every cabinet meeting. Majority of the decisions that were taken in parliament, he voted yes. E-levy, COVID-19, every single decision the Kuffour took, which is stupid, like getting rid of Tróuble, Bawumia sat in cabinet and said, let it go. When it came to granting unnecessary tax waivers to a shitty criminal company, which is sent you $320 or $40 million, Mahamudu Bawumia sat in cabinet and said, let it go. Because Sentio oil now, mabebi no, Bawumia godfather, oye kromfoa, wayere se bayire, edu Gyamfi dia. So Bawumia consistently, we chatra kodu point bia omu Ghana for ohu Ghana for so Jimmy. Enti esi an Bawumia so kofa basis aba. Enti baby dollar ne do, don't think about it. Sibia Ghana sika sama say edwuma ni ho ekwan a yentumi nye eye bibia adwiregu no oso mama rev yekofa electric bus aba o maame ana o papa e na betwi sa bus e ne ekọ charge no o maame ana se wo papa e na eba betwi sa electric bus no mo betwi akọ he na mo betwi bus na di akọ o mo betwi bus no wo ekwan na etutu no so ana ekwan na da senkregu na asɛ no ekwan na da ono aba omia ni kurom na wentuma anye no ehina obetwi electric buses na diako obetwi electric buses no won kran na ayalolo buses na eye mahama mokoto ba no sa buses na eguo na airpro no ye de yeden Bawumia is insane kwabrefo e kase obi insane wa bodam aptra bodam enitie ni binu no he is politically insane onhu de onka he's basically saying anything. He's just waiting that one thing will stick. Exit 2016, 14, 15, 16. Omoke kan sama ebi sticky anenya no kre. Oh, Mahama to Dubai house. Oh, Mahama DKB anedia. Oh, Mahama we are Ghana gold. Oh, Mahama. Aha. But nothing is sticking because Jandam is dead. Nothing is sticking. Inti today obiahu Bawumia to say Jimmy. Okasa they just watch him. Amanfo buso mo said the reality no Bawumia ni mana. Onim de ekoso Ghana. Now look at this. See, Mahamudu Bawumia, this is what he's saying. I will perform even better than I have as vice president if you vote for me to lead the country. Bawumia said, some woman a chance na obedi vice president, obedi president, obe perform better and post time or vice president. Now, vice president, when I mark your script, we are the ones to mark your script. We are the ones to tell you whether you have performed or not. We are the ones to tell you, say, we jumana oye no. Amaya brabono, sebio akode ni manasa say. Sebio wabrabono bebo abemu 8 years no. Ama sebio nyoma okan why ye echenji abrabo. We will decide. You don't stand in public and say, I have performed better. We will decide whether you have performed or not. It is a no, ono ankasa certain questions now ama answers. Ubusa emisa ata 170 questions opro untumi answers all questions no. Opro Wabusa emisata 170 questions. Till date, you have not been able to answer any of the questions. On Namgana Kachira will say, he has performed. You are not the one to tell us you have performed. We will know whether you have performed. Have you built the one district, one dam? The one constituency, $1 million, have they gotten it? Have you been able to implement all the numerous things you said? We are talking about one village, one dam. We are talking about 1 million per constituency. We are talking about the numerous, one district, one factory. We are talking about you making sure in your first 100 days or 1 year in office, you built 350 senior high schools. You spoke about how you were going to, at the end of the day, make sure we have asphalt roads, 16-inch asphalt roads. You told Ghanaians you were going to employ majority of the youth. Today, NAPCO is gone. You told Ghanaians you were going to make sure that they pay lower electricity. Today we are paying the highest in West Africa. You told Ghanaians that you were going to reduce the prices of fuel. Today we are paying the highest in Africa. These are things that you have not been able to accomplish. And these are things that are the basics that makes every Ghanaian believe in a government. So you telling us you have performed as a vice president after 8 years. With your foolish president, you have not been able to construct one regional hospital since the inception of the Dankwa Buzia, Akufo-Addo, Asanteman, NPP. This party won't miss one regional hospital in Ghana. Mose Agenda 111. Ebesinde, you have not built one hospital. Opimni bet me room akoja yarsa awafan wafan ba abefi. You have not been able to do that. You went to Accra to go and destroy a whole general hospital. You are telling us you have performed. What have you performed? What have you done? Do you know your terminal report? Are you the one to mark yourself? We are the teachers here. We are the ones looking at your job. We will decide whether you need a second note or not. Now, my mention Adiebi, and why every day I tell you say Bawumia ehu Ghana for some Jimmy. Mr. S, Mr. P, there's something I am missing. I am missing calculation, and it is here. All right, thank you, Mr. S, Mr. P. This is what Bawumia is saying. Mahamudu Bawumia said, Bawumia promises to reduce electricity costs with solar power. Muntie Bawumia.
the person with the electricity, no more ever from Ghana. The person with the electricity, no more ever from. And then Ghana electricity was so because you crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil, the gas must not be cost and cost. Because this is the generation mix. Move away from oil and gas to solar power. Solar power.
So, Bawumia say, opese montuma no. Na montuma na after 8 years no, obeti electricity so. Tie Bawumia. Watena be mu almost 8 years. Akabe bosomo miensa for aban way to end. Mahamudu Bawumia e ka kire mu say, montuma no na oba obeden obetete electricity so. This is NPP. Time about Bawumia ne Kuffour Addo stage 2016. Then I will reduce electricity tariffs if elected. Nanado Dankwe Kuffour Addo. One Bawumia ne ka asem wikire mu 2016. 2016 ka say samoto abama omwa. Ombe reduce light bill above form Mahama bon. Na Bawumia ne Kuffour Addo the same stage. That was their campaign message. Fast forward to 2024. Mahamudu Bawumia say, these are the fools I keep talking about. Mahamudu Bawumia say, Tumame, Nambeba may reduce electricity and yet their costs in Ghana. These are the same politicians. This is the same politician in 2016. This is the same politician in 2024. The same politician in 2016, the same politician in 2024, he's telling you the same thing. Bawumia is a bloody liar. Mumusa Bawumia say, gold for oil now the buy no. So ka say nke beti petrol so man aba form. Yentia no beje credit say on na introduce gold for oil. As we speak today, oil and as a petrol, ne boy is saying we are talking about 14.5 liters per liter. 14 Ghana per liter. Inti yebusa Bawumia say, ehina yenjin ndi, how do we believe you? You told us in 2016 when you Kuffour Addo say and nothing mobile light bill so mobile reduced drastically. Yabeni 2024 I was also meant to na light bill no bo akoso na oba now the solar ba wabodam. Na solar ni wona ka che so oba better light bill so. Na ende obetena be mu 8 years. O kwa o ka kire say yen sama another to me na esi ade light bill no enye so better sekeke o ko fa solar e de abreye. E che ohun si ejimi ohun. You think everybody in Ghana is foolish like Chema to me. Mujun say Jimmy to say abronye. Mujun say Jimmy to say Owusu bempa. Mujun say ye twin to say den software why you say bayire kusi buate. Mujun say ye moa on. You people think Ghanaians are so stupid. And there 1 city, 2 city, 1 city, 2 city. In Kofonko phone. You are the same people who told us this. Moka hona nkwasiafobika say politicians are the same. Mona moya politicians are the same no. NPP liars. You see GDA trust. Mahamudu Bawumia, obi ni Ghana trust Bawumia. Obi o trust Bawumia bia ye kromfo a Bawumia nkwasi ade oye no eboa no. How can anybody believe or trust such a person to lead? And then they also the solar neighbor. Now the other two we are not to meet so. Were you able to reduce it? So indirectly, you are telling Ghanaians you have failed. Because anka un failure anka send okache Ghana for say mo unse me ka say metal light so no and me gina han metuma can confidently say metal light so. But you can't say that. You are telling them say light born akosokra too much under my tenure. Into sama me another 4 years, 8 years. Na member better so kwasi na de na kire say obetuma ye. This is common sense. Bende common sense no abeda ni jimia manipe bi. And the common sense na dani Jimmy adani yare adani ohia ema omo ani ejun so bo common sense na adani ndwan ekeka nkwasi asem.
You're waiting for winning and some of your kitty can Taylor and to when you want to be money a Kennedy Agyapong what in some of as you say what TSC a Bawumia campaign platforms are what you say Ghana for and to about Bawumia now what in separate one hour and to because GC so and our so we are subscribe here for more than say over subscribe to the channel now like it now feel so share video no offer for so now we may be share also wait me at share what now for some we now and will comment box me Mobeti Linkadu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.